In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then select lock screen, click on screen lock and pick one of those locking methods. After you decided, you need to create it. Hit continue, repeat it to confirm it and hit confirm. Then manage lock screen notifications thanks to this switcher and by operating all of those options. When you finished, hit done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!